how to use Google Translate in Facebook Messenger. So Facebook Messenger actually has a built-in translator, and it could also be affiliated with Google Translator itself. And if you want to be able to go ahead and then view that, what you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Messenger app and go to a certain chat where you want to translate a certain conversation. Now, once you've done that, you want to see this is in other language aside from English, it's mixed up. So what you want to do to translate it is just long press on that message. Then you'll find this translate button from the bottom. Tap on the translate button and you can see read messages in your preferred language. Tap on the OK button and now you can see you'll be able to see that the text has been converted to a translated language, or you can also see the original or see translation. You can follow up with this for all of these other different messages as well if you want to, if it has a translate button over there. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.